Ever dreamt of creating your very own animated cartoon but thought you needed a fancy studio or years of experience? Well, think again. What if I told you that you could bring your ideas to life, create engaging animations, and do it all with just a few simple tools from the comfort of your home? And yes, I'm talking about you becoming the next animation creator. Stick around because today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create animated cartoon videos that can capture millions of views. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience to start, just your creativity. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to animate like a pro. Ready? Let's dive in. In this video, I will introduce you to an incredible new AI tool called MiniMax. This powerful tool allows you to create full videos just by entering a simple prompt. Unlike traditional tools that only generate scenes or images, MiniMax takes it a step further by transforming your text prompts into fully realized video content. From setting the scene to creating dynamic visuals, MiniMax does all the heavy lifting, so you can bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Stay tuned to see how this AI tool can revolutionize your video creation process. First, we need a good story for our animated cartoon. To do this, we'll use ChatGPT to help us create the perfect plot. All we have to do is give it a few details, and ChatGPT will come up with unique and creative story ideas for our cartoon. I use this prompt, give me 10 prompts to create a short kid story with two main characters, a boy named Hardy and a girl named Melissa. To create a cartoon story, and ChatGPT will generate a story for me. Now we have 10 story titles. Pick the one you like, and then ask ChatGPT to make a story of that title. Next, we need to make sure our main characters stay the same throughout the story. There are two ways to do this, and I'll show you both. First, after you've written the story, open ChatGPT in a new tab and use the prompt provided in the description. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will reply, "Yes, I'm ready. Please provide the full script, and I'll start analyzing it to generate prompts for the main characters." Now, just copy your story script, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit send. ChatGPT will then create prompts for all the characters, showing how they look and what they're wearing. For now, we'll set that aside and open a new tab in Chrome. In this third tab, open ChatGPT again. You'll need to find a character from the internet. Search for 3D animated cartoon character on Google. And you'll find plenty of free options. You can also use AI to create characters, but make sure they're in PNG format or have a plain background. I found 2 characters online, and you can do the same. Next, upload each character one at a time to ChatGPT. Start with the girl character. Once it's uploaded, go to the video description, copy the prompt provided, and paste it into ChatGPT with the girl's character. Press enter, and ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompt to generate this character. Do the same for the boy character. Upload his image to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt from the video description, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will create a detailed prompt for him. After that, go back to the video description, copy the next prompt, and return to the second ChatGPT tab. Paste the prompt there, but don't send it yet because it's incomplete. To finish the prompt, we need to add the character details we generated earlier using ChatGPT. Go back to the third tab, copy Hardy's character details, but don't copy everything. Start from where it says Hardy character name, and continue from he is a chubby, cheerful young boy, all the way to the end until the double quotes. Make sure not to accidentally copy anything else. After copying, go back to the second ChatGPT tab where we left the earlier prompt on hold. Paste the character details prompt after it and hit send. In this prompt, ChatGPT is going to save Hardy's character details. We told it that every time Hardy's name pops up in the script, it'll automatically add all those character details for us. Just like we did with Hardy, we'll do the same for Melissa. Go to the description, copy Melissa's prompt, and paste it into the second ChatGPT tab. Then, go to the third tab, copy Melissa's character details, and paste them into the incomplete prompt in the second tab. Hit send. Now ChatGPT knows Melissa's details and will include them whenever her name comes up in the script. With everything set up, we're ready to generate the video with consistent characters. Before we start, let me explain the prompts. All the prompts I mentioned are in the video description. Alright, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. It's time to generate our video with consistent characters. To generate your video, just head over to haloy.com. This text-to-video model, also known as MiniMax, just became available for public use and is free. But heads up, if you're watching this video in a few weeks or months, it might not be free anymore. Trust me, this model is incredible and it's definitely not going to stay free for long. Once you're on the site, click Create a Video button to go to the video generating workspace. Then click Mine. This is where your video will appear after it's generated. In the creative description, you need to enter a prompt. Go back to the first Chrome tab where we created the story script using ChatGPT. For example, if the story says, Hardy and Melissa were excited. It was their first day of vacation at the beach, and the sun was shining brightly in the sky. So, we want to show a scene that really captures their curiosity and love for adventure. We're going to take that part, copy it, move over to the second ChatGPT tab, paste it, and hit send. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed prompt that includes everything from their character details to what the scene should look like. After that, we need to copy the prompt generated by ChatGPT, then go to MiniMax, paste it there. Let me clean up the prompt for better accuracy. After that, make sure to uncheck the tip word optimization box. If you leave it enabled, the characters might not stay consistent. Once that's done, go ahead and click Generate Video. Our video will start getting generated right now. MiniMax takes a little time to generate videos, so I'm pausing the video, and I'll show it to you once it's finished. Alright, I'm back. The video took roughly 2 minutes to generate, and here it is. Let's hit play and check out how it came out. Currently, MiniMax generates 6-second high-quality HD videos, but if you use it right, you can easily create an entire movie with it. To check for character consistency, we need to generate another prompt and scene. So let's head back to our script and select the second scene. But stick around until the end of the video, because I'll also show you how to change the character's outfit. Then next scene we've got is, let's go check out those old rocks by the cove, Melissa suggested, pointing to a cluster of large stones near the edge of the beach. Hardy nodded eagerly, always ready for an adventure. According to the script, we need a scene where Melissa and Hardy pointing to a cluster of large stones. Once again, we'll copy this part of the script and paste it into the second tab in ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will generate the prompt for the second scene, and we just need to copy it and paste it into MiniMax. If necessary, clean up the prompt if there are any extra words and there's scene prompt text that's showing up repeatedly. Won't appear for you, I'll take care of it and fix it in the prompt. After that, we have to wait again until the video is generated. I'm going to pause here, and once it's ready, I'll show you how it turned out. Alright guys, the video is ready. Let's hit play and see how it turned out. Just look at how awesome the video came out and the consistency of the characters. Wow! I think MiniMax definitely deserves a round of applause and of course some likes. What do you think? Shouldn't we give it some love? Let's settle this by playing both videos side by side to see how consistent the characters are. If they're spot on, then yeah, it definitely deserves some likes. If you ever want to change your characters, like updating their outfits or adding new features, you can easily do that by adjusting the prompts we created in ChatGPT. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create animated videos with characters that stay consistent from start to finish. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.